All right, friends. Hello. How's it going? Doing another unboxing. This is a mystery unboxing. I am not sure what's in here. Just got sent to me, so let's find out. All right. What do we got? We have more fuse bead templates. So these little guys, can I open a plastic bag is the question. Can he open a plastic bag? Oh, here we go. I have to tear it open. So I believe there's 12 of these in here. I've done one of these before, I just didn't know. So basically, here's like the dolphin. And these little guys, you take some beads, and there's a bunch of little colored beads, and you put it over the top of each of these little pegs, basically. And I think use an iron or something, and you melt them together, and then you can pull it off of there, and then you have a little like dolphin design. So it's kind of a cool little craft item. I'll just show you guys all of these. We got a little dolphin. Here's a kitty cat. Got ourselves a little fish there. Alright. Looks like a little rubber ducky. Okay, bunny rabbit. Butterfly or some other type of bug. Kind of cool there. You could also make like a star. Little doggy. Looks like we have a deer. And I think that you can make these into like Christmas ornaments too, or something like that. They have little holes in them, I believe, so you could hang it, maybe put a thing on there, and there's a little elephant there. Butterfly. Teddy bear. And least but not last, we have I was gonna say a dragonfly. I know that's not a dragonfly. It's a wow. Is this a joke right now? My mind just went blank. It's a little okay. I think it ends in fish. I know what this is. The little guys, and they're in the water, and they look really weird, but you know, why can't I not think of this? This is wow. Something fish. No, it's a seahorse. I was way off. My mind is I'm losing my mind. Anyways, a seahorse. So, little bead templates for those things. This is a 12 piece by Xgood and craft beads. So I'll leave a link in the Amazon link in the description below. You guys can check these out if you want, if you're into crafting with these. I think they're like 12 of these is around $10 or something like that. So not bad. Pretty cool little thing there if you're into crafting. I've never actually done the beads before, but maybe I'll have to if I keep getting these. So thanks for watching this review, this unboxing, everybody. Man, I need like some brain power boosting or something. Okay, just slow down and talk. All right, everyone have a great day out there. We'll see you next unboxing, and take care. ETPC out.